Erin Featherston presents The Perfect Wingtip. Nothing puts a look together like the perfect wingtip, if it is done right, that is. It isn't always easy to draw the right shape and to keep both eyes symmetrical. You don't want to walk out of the house with sloppy cat eyes. Be sure to choose the shape appropriate for your eye as well as for the occasion. A night out can be accompanied by a stronger line, while your everyday look should be thinner and more delicate. We have a tip for you that will guarantee a flawless wing in a speck of time. Place a pencil or other straight object connecting the end of your eyebrow to the corner of your nose and use it as a guide to draw your wing. And there you have it, a perfectly symmetrical and effortless cat eye. Powder your lid and the look will last all night. Charmed? I'm sure.